Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the finale of the free ecom course. I really hope you guys took the most out of this, and the most important thing out of all of this is to take action over what you learned today. Now, if you are just getting started, I recommend you follow exactly what you learned today. Okay, I want you to build cash flow, invest in brands, and one of the most important investments that you gotta make is to invest in yourself. Now, what I mean by that is buying books and hiring a mentor that will help you out in case you have any problems. Now, I finally decided to offer my paid mentorship. Finally going to launch a paid course that will include a lot of things that we will discuss in a little bit. But first, let me just clarify this. My paid mentorship is not for beginners. It's for people that are already in the business and have intentions to start branding. If you are just getting started, you have everything you need to make your first $1,000 profits. Okay, you have everything you need. I shared with you exactly how you can make a lot of money in profits. Now, once you make that money, I want you to invest it in yourself. Okay, and the best investment you can make is to hire a mentorship, because a mentor will save you a lot of money, a lot of time, a lot of efforts. When I first started, I literally had a lot of mentors, and I still have mentors till today, because you should never stop learning. So in that paid course, I'll show you guys exactly how I will be able to go from $1,000 to $10,000 a day. Now, I've done this before, and I'm currently working on scaling this brand up. This brand that we just started a couple weeks ago, and we are currently scaling it to 10,000 pounds a day. And by the way, this is a real example of what we discussed on day 6 video. We are currently on, we just bought, packaging for this brand. We have custom packaging, and we're currently sending that package to few influencers to create custom content for us. And this is another brand that I had with a partner, and believe it or not, this brand is over 1 year old, and it's still making profit every single day. Now, something about branding, it's not only a Facebook ads game anymore. You should diversify as much as possible, and even the Facebook ads structure is way different with brands than it is with dropshipping. It's not like what I showed you guys in the past few days, where you just duplicate what's working. With the brand structure, there is a whole different structure that you follow. You must keep testing a bunch of creatives. Now, this is something that I'll go in depth with in my paid course. So this is exactly what will be included in my paid course. So first things first, I will show you guys exactly how I will be able to scale from $1,000 to $10,000. So as I said, how I will be able and how I was able to do it, because I was able to do it and I'm about to do it again. The second thing that I will share in depth on the paid course is how to bypass any Facebook restriction. Now, I shared with you my system, the system that I'm currently using with Facebook ads. So I'll go more in details on that, and I'll share with you guys exactly how and from where to get your all the tools that you need, and the US proxies. And I will share also my private US Facebook supplier. He has the best Facebook accounts that I'm currently spending thousands of dollars a day. So all of that will be shared on my paid course. That brings us to another thing, which is I'll be sharing all my contacts. So all my supplier contacts, all my agent contacts, profiles, suppliers as well. And the third, or maybe fourth thing that I'll be sharing on the paid course is I will reveal all of my brands, so you can have a better look at how things are going. And I will also share all of the branding aspects. Now, when it comes to branding, there's a lot of things that you must do. It will be best if you can send it out to the US, to a US warehouse. So I'll share with you exactly how you can do that. I will basically share the most affordable US and UK warehouses that I personally used before, and that would literally save you thousands of dollars. I will also share something that I am currently doing with one of my brands, which is a subscription-based program where I am upselling people to subscribe to a monthly program, and once they do, they basically get digital products. So I'll go more in depth in that, and I will share the system and what landing page I'm using. Literally everything will be revealed. I will also share how you can sell your brands for 5 and 6 figures, mainly because I sold multiple brands, so I have a decent experience when it comes to selling a brand. I know a broker that can help you out in case you want to just outsource that process. I will also share the broker information in case you are interested. And and of course, you would have access to me, and most importantly, you would have access to the network of the Money Magnet group that would include only highly effective people. Okay, so your network is your net worth. Keep that in mind. So you can pre-order this course. I'm still not done with creating all of the content, but you can, as I said, pre-order the course today. And I just want to let you know that the price would literally double once the course is launched, because my main goal with this is to build a group of people of highly effective. Obviously, once again, this course is not for beginners, it's for more advanced people that want to go to the next level. Okay, so that's the plan. As I said, the course price would literally double once the course is fully finished and launched, and it will be launched within a month from now. So mark my words, this is no fake scarcity. The price of the course will literally double in a month from now. Once it's out, the price will double. So if you made it this far, you better give me one of these. All right, thank me for the effort that has been taken to create this content, and peace out.